Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 unique AI content writers that are different from the rest. You see, most AI content writers, they can do blogs, maybe with articles, with an SEO spin, maybe a bit of copywriting, but that's generally it. With these 5 unique AI content writers, they write different content, or they have a unique way of producing written content. So let me start with the first one. First one is called Deep Story, and it is basically a way for, people and AI to create stories and scripts. So you see, a lot of these AIs, they focus on, as I mentioned earlier, blog articles and maybe copyright or maybe email, but they don't. Not very many of them focus solely on stories and scripts. And here you go. You can go down here, and it's specialized just for that one task, and it's amazing. Here is some samples, so you can do a new story and then type everything out here, or in this case, they can show you exactly what they have here. See, so Lord of the Rings is one of them. All right, they can do maybe a Kill Bill dialogue. All right. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff that you can do as well, but it helps you to generate. It's one of the few AIs that I found all over the internet, because I've been asked by certain viewers, is there an AI that can do script writing or story generating? And a few of the mainstream AI tools do have a storyline or even a poetry kind of feature added in, but it's more like an afterthought. It's not the main course. With Deep Story, you're basically generating stories and scripts. So you can go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a link in the description. Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions again. I've mentioned in another video how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate my channel and to save time while building traffic. So hey, if you're interested in how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate a lot of your work and to build traffic, I'll put a link in the description, and it will take you to the course where you can see how I do that. It's just there for people who are interested. So let's get on with the video. Let's go with the next one. The next one is called PseudoRight. This AI writer is unique because it's supposed to help you, get around writer block, help you brainstorm ideas for writing fiction work. Okay, that's quite amazing. And if you go down, you can go ahead and you can see what they have right here. You have brainstorm, describe, rewrite, and write. You can have a free trial, so you can go ahead and test it out. I always like it when they have a free trial, because I don't like to be forced into things. It's just my style, but you can go ahead and check this out. PseudoRight for for fiction writing. Very unique. Okay, the next one is called Author's AI. This tool will be useful after you use the first two tools. So let's say you create a script or you create a fictional work. This AI tool will help you proofread your work, right? And they have different tiers. The first one is free. So it allows you to do unlimited basic AI reports, run multiple drafts of your manuscript, and get grateful first-time authors looking to strengthen their craft. And then if you want to go ahead and upgrade to different tiers, you can go ahead and do that. I'll let you go ahead and read that below. But I think it's interesting because it basically is specialized once again for nonfiction work. And it has a graph, and has all these things that most AIs just skip over, right? So this is very, very unique in that sense. That maybe it's because it's niche. That's why there's not too many of these. But I still wanted to share it with everyone, because I think it'll be helpful. I mean, not everyone wants to write a blog post. Not everyone wants to write nonfiction. Some people want an AI tool that can help them with fiction work, and this author AI will help you to proofread your work. And the next one is for those who have trouble writing resumes, right? So Resumeio, or for, depending on what part of the country you live in or what part of the world you live in, it might be CV. Some people like myself, I find it really hard to write CVs or resumes, and this Resumeio will help you it will use an AI writer to help you write and flesh out your resume. So it's pretty interesting. Here are some samples that they have right here. And over here, I prefer using AI tools over freelancers because you know what you're getting, and it's transparent. It's transparent. It's a lot quicker and it's a lot cheaper. Plus, the quality overall tends to be better. Right? So here it is. And the last one I mentioned earlier, but I think it's unique because it's one of the very few AI tools that specialize on paraphrasing. Right? So this tool is mainly a paraphraser, Quillbot, and allows you to paraphrase your text. So you can take a text or article off the internet, put it in here, and it will rewrite it for you in several different styles: standard, fluency, formal, simple, creative, and you can expand it, okay, or you can contract it or shorten it. And I like this tool because it works really well for most topics. Now, specialized topics with specialized vocabulary, maybe medical or technical or technology based articles, it might throw it into a loop every now and then. I just want to let you know that. But overall, for general articles, it does a pretty good job. Grammar checker is okay. Plagiarism checker is really strong, right, compared to other ones, but a little bit limited. You only have, I think, 20 per month, right? But it's very, very powerful. And then you have the co-writing feature, which I really don't use, which allows you to write and collaborate with other users. And then you have the summarizer and citation generator. This one I don't use at all because I'm no longer producing academic works. But if you're in school, this might help you as well. So this is a specialized tool because it's basically geared towards the student. Mainly a student. Right, with the citation generator, summarizer, plagiarism checker. These are kind of student / business tools incorporated into one. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, could you please hit the like button? I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next